There are dozens of YouTube videos out there on how to make bottle rockets. But most of them involve engineering overkill, too many trips to the hardware store, and too many dollars. So we decided to make one fast and cheap with whatever we had on hand in the shed. We used a plastic drink bottle for the rocket, a sheet of EPP packing foam for the fins. I glued the fins to the rocket with hot glue, and I found a wine bottle cork that was a good tight fit in the neck of the plastic bottle, and a valve cut from a bicycle tube for the inlet. We launched the rocket from an old plastic flower pot. The bicycle valve stem was an extra long one, but I still had to cut about a third off the cork to leave enough room for the bicycle pump to attach. The bicycle valve stem is about 6mm in diameter, so I just drilled a 5mm hole in the cork and screwed it in. No glue required. The cork was slightly tapered from being in the wine bottle, so I made sure that the top end of the bicycle valve came out of the thick end of the cork. I cut a slot in the side of the flower pot to allow the air tube from the bicycle pump in, while the fins of the rocket sit on the rim of the flower pot. Filling the bottle with about a third water seems to work best, and the weight of the water holds the bottle in place on the launch pad. This design gets to about 20 psi before blowing the cork. That's enough for plenty of fun and gets to a launch height of about 10 meters. The rocket launched well, but it spins out of control as soon as it ejects all the fuel. It would probably fly a little better if I added some weight to the nose to stabilise it, but then I'd probably have to retrieve it from the neighbour's yard on every flight.